Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review of the HAPA KRISTIN Blasé contact lenses in the color brown. I think you guys are really gonna like this one. So here are what the HAPA KRISTIN Blasé colored contacts look like in the color brown, with artificial lighting, with room lighting, and with natural sunlight. So let me know in the comment section down below, what do you all think about these colored contact lenses? I know in the previous video, I know that they can be a little bit pricey and it says that they are for 1 month. But keep in mind, if you wear different colored contact lenses and you're always switching your contacts out, then you can keep these for longer than a month. So it really does work out for you in the end. And if you're always switching up your lenses, then you can just use a different kind and then you can keep these for longer than a month. But let's talk about what I think about these colored contact lenses while I show you up close shots as usual. Here are these specs. I do have a discount code with them. I will also put it up on the screen right here. If you are interested in checking out these lenses, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. You guys know I love brown and hazel colored contact lenses, so I was super interested to try these out. Now, here's what I think about these lenses. These lenses closely mimic my own eyes. I even took a picture of them in the direct natural sunlight. I'm going to throw it up for you right here. And I kid you not, look at my eye and look at the colored contact lens. I label it for you right here. You can't even tell a difference between my eyes and these colored contact lenses. When I first put them on, I was like, what is the difference with these colored contact lenses and my own natural eyes? They mimic my natural eyes in every kind of lighting, with artificial lighting, with natural lighting, and with sunlight lighting. It's ridiculously crazy how I've never been able to find my own color eyes in a pair of contacts, and I have happened to just stumble upon them. That's crazy. Like, if you have eyes like mine, that's how these lenses are gonna look. They're gonna look exactly like your own eyes. Now, that's what I don't like about them, is that they mimic my own eyes perfectly, so that they don't give like a pop, you know what I mean? Like, I love lenses that maybe have a pinch of green or maybe like a pinch of a hazel and a more amber color. I feel like it really adds to my eyes and my eyes are really able to pop. But these are like my own eyes. So, I mean, I love these lenses like with a nice smoky brown dramatic look, kind of like what I'm wearing now. But for an everyday, they would also look stunning. They would be undetectable, obviously, unless somebody got really, really up close to you, then you can kind of see the pattern a little bit. But no one's really going to get that up close to you realistically. So for an everyday, these are perfect. But if you want to like really stand out or your eyes to really pop, then these aren't the lenses for you. These remind me a lot of the Color CL, Siesta, Black Edition, Iris Hazel. Those are the ones. These are like pretty much those. Like they're the exact same. like they don't pop on my eyes because they blend so well with my own eyes. So that's something that it's a pro and a con. Like for me, it's a pro because I can get away with wearing it every day, but it's a con because it's like they don't pop. Like it's just like my own natural eyes. So let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about these lenses? Are you interested in purchasing these lenses and all that fun stuff? Just drop me a comment. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle and get to know me, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. Follow me on my socials. I usually put up all my makeup pictures and colored contact pictures and some other fun beauty content there. I usually put my social media handles throughout the video and the description box down below. Click on the description box since it gives all the information on these lenses, and you can visit HAPA KRISTIN's website and use my discount code if you're interested in purchasing these lenses. It gives you money off and I get a small commission, so thank you in advance. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to check out my previous video if you want to see what the HAPA KRISTIN Blasé colored contacts look like in the color green. I think you'll be interested in those as well. Check it out up here and linked in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will check you all out in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe, bye.
Yeah.